Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about heating and cooling. In this lecture, we will study about heat and temperature. We can define heat as heat is the flow of energy from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature object. So heat is different from the temperature. In temperature, we're just going to measure how hot or cold something is. Whereas in case of heat, heat is only about the flow of energy from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature object. It is only the transfer of energy. All things are made up of matter, and matter exists in three states. It exists in the state of solid, liquid, and gases. All the three states, they contains particles, and those particles can gain or lose energy. So heat is the transfer of energy from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature objects. Units we use to measure heat are joules and kilojoules. Now, what is the temperature? We can define temperature as temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It basically tells us about the hotness and coldness of anything. We can measure temperature with degree Celsius. We use thermometer to measure the temperature, and the thermometer that is used to measure temperature is mostly we use degree Celsius. What is the difference between heat and temperature? As you already know that heat is the transfer of energy from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature object. Whereas temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. What are the units? Heat is measured in joules and kilojoules, whereas temperature it is measured in Celsius and Kelvin. How to measure? Heat can be indirectly measured, whereas temperature can be directly measured. We have thermometer and we can directly measure the temperature of any object. So it is clear that heat and temperature are two different terms. Heat can be defined as transfer of energy from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature object, whereas temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. That's all from today's lesson.